This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check out the links in the description. In this video, we're going to be talking about decorating tip number 827. It's a very large star tip, and primarily we use it when we're finishing cupcakes. They're perfect for birthday parties and other celebrations. I've got a little sample standard size cupcake here, and we are going to start by piping a nice star in the middle of the cupcake, and then we're going to take that bag and swirl it around the outside and gently bring it into a spiral back to the center, and that's going to build up a nice swirling mound of frosting. So let's get started. I'm going to start by holding the tip up off the cupcake just a little bit. That'll give the frosting room to balloon out. And then I'm just going to swirl it around the star that made. So I'm just going to draw a circle around it, and when I get back to the beginning, I'll pull it in and I'll continue piping to get a little peak at the top. If you're going to add any additional things like sprinkles or quins, right after you pipe is the perfect time. A lot of frostings will form a little crust, or if you put them in the refrigerator, they'll get cold and it'll make it hard for your sprinkles to stick. So if you put them on right away, they'll stick nicely and you'll get a lovely finished product. So something simple, fun, and festive that you can easily customize with different colors of buttercream and a variety of sprinkles, quins, and other finishes. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to check out more about the materials and equipment that we use for cake decorating, or just for inspirational ideas about cake decorating itself, follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to learn more about or sign up for a yearly membership, you can check out our school at www.cakedecoratingschool.com. And if you're interested in any of the products we used in this video, you can check out the links in the description.